Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone who loves their inflatables, the Air Mattress Patch Kit by Paistely.
This isn't just any patch kit. It's hailed as one of the best in the market for repairing air mattresses and other inflatables.
Let's find out why.
First off, what makes this kit stand out? Well, it's designed to repair a variety of inflatables like air mattresses, hot tubs, and even inflatable spa pools. The key here is its versatility and durability. It's built to withstand salt, hot water, and even UV rays, which means your repairs will hold up under tough conditions.
Now, let's break down the features.
The kit includes a powerful vinyl glue that forms a strong, flexible bond with your inflatable's material.
It's waterproof, allowing you to apply it underwater or on dry surfaces. Plus, it's equipped with different sizes of vinyl patches that you can cut to fit, making repairs quick and easy.
One of the best things about this kit is how easy it is to use. You don't need to be a repair expert. The instructions are straightforward.
Simply clean the area, apply the glue and patch, and you're done.
It's a quick fix that doesn't compromise on quality. Imagine being able to repair your favorite inflatable kayak or that cherished air mattress without worry. This kit handles it all, from small tears to larger patches, giving you peace of mind knowing your inflatable will stay afloat. So, if you're in the market for a reliable patch kit that can handle anything from hot tubs to pool toys, look no further than the Air Mattress Patch Kit by Paistely.
It's affordable, easy to use, and delivers on its promises.
Check the description below for links and more information.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews like this one.
Until next time, stay patched and stay inflated.